The way we start NC Simul is by selecting the user that we want to work with. These users have certain permissions on files that they can work with. So we can go ahead and start off. And the first thing that you notice with NC Simul, it's this easy user environment. Very little icons. We can see all the jobs, the parts, the machines right there in front of us. As soon as we click on one of the machine is brought into view. The next thing that we want to do really is look at the ISO code. So all we have to do is just grab the ISO code and drag it and drop it into our job, and it's loaded, and right away the first thing that NC Simul does, it verifies the code. Is it proper code? Do they have any syntax errors? And as you can see in the bottom, we have a bunch of errors existing right there. As soon as you click on the ISO code, the machine moves. So all these three windows are all connected together, and we can get a status report of where that tool and the machine is located in the XYZ coordinate system. As you can see here, the report, it shows us really the coordinates of that particular machine. So now if we click on the line of movement, it shows us where that is in the ISO code as well. So all these three windows are parametric connected together, and that's fantastic. Now looking at these errors, what we can do very easily is start editing that code. And we select on the code line and say edit, and we can modify. In this case, the user made an error by typing O instead of 0. We modify that, and that error is removed. There's another syntax error. Again, very simple. There's a comma, we modify it, fix it, and that thing is removed as well. And you can see all the errors have been removed, and that is really the first step when it comes to NC Simul verifying the code that we have.